No matter where you're from or where you are right now, you can make up to $175 every day by just completing simple tasks, which I will cover in further details in this video. If you don't have any prior experience, that's not a problem because you can complete these tasks as a complete beginner. You won't even have to spend a single cent because the tasks are absolutely free and open to everyone who wants to participate. To begin earning, all you need is your device, which may be either your phone, your computer, your tablet, and a few simple clicks. Now, do you want to know more? Keep watching to the end of the video because I'm going to walk you through each process step by step, and I'll give you some useful tips along the way as well. This method that I'll be showing you does not need any technical skills or experience. Even beginners can do this method and be successful. You do not need a large social media following or any of that. No monthly subscriptions or weekly payments. It is all 100% free. You do not need to let money out of your pockets. And lastly, this method is available worldwide. Anyone from any part of the world can do this with ease. All you need is a laptop or mobile phone to get started. But before we start, let me just tell you that this method is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It will not and cannot replace your day job. However, this method can help you earn extra income from what you are earning right now. It will not make you a millionaire, but it can help you with your day-to-day expenses. All you need is a little bit of time and effort, and it will be all worth it. Now that's out of the way, sit back, relax, pay close attention, and let's get started. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. The website that I'm going to show you today is called Paidera.com. This website allows you to earn money by performing a variety of tasks from the comfort of your own home. If you have any doubts about the legitimacy of this website, you can look at the reviews and the proof of payment section to find out. Shashank from India shares that it is already his 9th payout on this website. He says that he recommends this website to everyone out there who are willing to work online and earn money. Let's look at another review. Here we can see Satish Kumar from Mexico saying that he was skeptical at first, but after taking out several easy surveys and getting paid, his trust for Paidera strengthened. You can see here the payments that he received on his PayPal account. If you scroll down this page, you can see a lot of proofs and reviews from different people around the world about their experience with Paidera and how they earned using it. So this is a very legitimate website. If you are still not convinced, just look at all the payment proofs that all the reviewers uploaded with their reviews. It should let you know how much you can possibly earn on this website. Now that's out of the way, let's continue. Let's dive deeper into Paidera and learn what it's all about. Working online has become easy without any previous experience using all-in-one solution provided by Paidera to get paid doing multiple tasks without leaving your home. No country redirection, instant payment requests, and both mobile and desktop users are accepted. Why do we choose Paidera in today's video? This is because Paidera has unlimited tasks. They provide unlimited tasks to complete every day, and there is no limit to the amount you can make per day. Inviting friends. You are paid to invite your friends to join Paidera. Instant payments. Payment requests are instant and are available 24/7 given that you reach the minimum payout threshold. What type of tasks does Paidera offer you? Sign up tasks. Sign up or subscribe to other websites or offers. Complete surveys. Paidera offers multiple surveys available for you to complete. Upload videos. Upload specific videos and earn money. Invite friends. Tell your friends about Paidera and make a good revenue. And writing articles. Write articles and post about Paidera and get paid for it. Today, Paidera has 900,000 members active, over 7 million tasks completed, and over 1.5 million payments sent to users. Now that I have told you an extensive background about Paidera, all that is left for you to do now is sign up and join tons of people to make money on this site. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. To sign up for a free account, just look for the Create an Account button on the upper right side of the website and click it. Once you do that, you will be led to this page where you need to fill up this sign-up form. When you sign up for an account, Paidera will give you 15% increase in earnings for all your completed tasks for a limited time. All you need to do is put in your first and last name, username, email address, and password, and click sign up. Just like that, you now have an account on Paidera. Once you log into your account, you will be greeted by your very own dashboard where you can see your total earnings, your referral links, and a bunch of tasks that you can do right away. On the left side of your dashboard, you can see a bunch of tasks and micro tasks that you can do to earn money. You can also submit videos here and they will pay you more money for uploading videos. You can also do surveys, do online reviews, answer quizzes, and refer friends and families. The opportunities of earning here are just endless. To give you an example, let's try to do one task. If we click this one under the task option, you will be led to this page and they will ask you what type of devices you own. My tip for you is to select all 3 devices so that more tasks will be offered to you. After that, just click on Save Devices and now you can choose any task that you want to do. You can see here a description for each task, and on the right side you can see how much that task will pay you. Some tasks will pay you more and some less. Just keep on doing them because you will never run out of tasks to do. Another secret bonus tip that we will give you is try doing 10 tasks. There is a secret perk on this website where you get double the earnings after completing 10 tasks in a row. That is how people on this website make money over and over again. All these tasks are super simple and easy to do. It won't take you a minute to finish these tasks successfully. On top of that, tasks are refreshed every day, so there are new tasks for you to do each day. If you want to earn passive income here without doing anything, you can also refer your friends and family to this website. And once you earn money using Paidera, you can get a percentage of it. How neat is that? So go out there and start doing this method, and I guarantee you that you can make tons of money in a short amount of time. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.